Making money has never been easier. Especially for women, it is very well known that our beliefs shape our reality. We are living different times, and if we keep saying, reading and repeating that we are living different times like the times of artificial intelligence, this is very positive. Instead of perceiving change as something far and hard to achieve, change becomes trendy and very close to us. If we keep repeating to ourselves that we are living in different times, then we can really take advantage of this and surf the wave right on time. Change brings change. New air brings new air. This new era is beneficial for women. Making money is becoming easier and easier nowadays. Being creative is a way to make money. Being innovative is a way to make money. Showing up is a way to make money. Pleasure is a way to make money. Even daily activities can be a way to make money. Making money is less connected to the idea of a traditional work effort from 8 to 5. Making money is more connected to changing our beliefs, becoming more spiritual and aligning with the energy of peace of mind, safety and freedom. Our perception of money is becoming more pure, making it easier for money to approach a mother, an artist, or a spiritual person. Like we said, things are changing. These are times of change. We are living in the messianic times, the time of redemption, of freedom. In these times, the divine presence is revealed. What does this mean? That the divine presence is coming out of her hiding place, that she's talking, becoming more visible, that her light is lifting some challenges up. Her presence is making our lives smoother. All we need is to connect to the divine presence, especially through gratitude and appreciation of every detail of our days. In the times of redemption, it's normal to feel satisfied, to feel complete, grateful and joyful. How would you feel if all your problems were gone? If all you had to do is go from good to better? If all you had to do was learning more, teaching more, creating more, thanking more? Can you feel it? Start adapting now to the new times, the times of artificial intelligence, or the times of the Messiah. Start feeling comfortable with the feeling that all is good, because this is what's coming. This is what is happening now. I have more to tell you. Please subscribe and get ready for more.